Trevor Ramos, and I'm sorry I did not bring my, what do you call that, monopod selfie stick. Pwede ba magwaray? Pwede magwaray? So, say hello guys, hello, waray classes. So I'm gonna ask. We are MAPI majors, right? Yes. So since we are MAPI majors, I'm gonna ask you, what is your talent, and I'll ask randomly.
What is math?
So pag-andam ka guys, pag-andam. First, hello.
Hello.
Roldan. This is Roldan, my classmate. Yes, I know that he is talented, and yes, talented. So I want you to show your talent, one of your talent. Please, 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 just roll my. So he don't want to show his talent. I'm gonna ask other classmates. Hello, Ella! Hi, manager. This is my classmate, one of my classmates. So I'm gonna ask you, what is your talent? Since you are MAPI major.
I love singing.
Kaya nung pinili ka MAPI major, dahil ka na yung talent. Sige na, bisan lang katiting. Waray! Nasugot. Hello! Waray nasugot. Roldan! Sige na, masud ako. Bisan la, para po natin, tim talent, nagwaray ko. Nag-translate na latakin eh. Okay, next. Nasa ringera at MAPI majors ko no, mga pangkultong magkasi-kasi. Di rin mga outdoor kaya anong.
Hi! Wait, ano? Yes! How can I help you? Ano man?
Show your talent.
My talent is singing. That's all.
Sige, ay pakita.
Wow! No!
Sampal. Since you take the MAPI major, can you show me your talent?
I don't have talent. I'm really sorry.
I know you have talent. You have a talent.
Of course
in
not.
singing. Just give me a sample. Sample. Ikaw, anong talent? Nakakanta?
I don't have talent.
This is my vlog, so you want to participate.
Content na YouTube.
Waray good na pakita tira talent. Kano guna na ka mga MAPI majors. So anay, since you've take MAPI major, can you show me your talent?
Oh my God!
Please respect, this is my vlog. Kita niyo mga kapatid niya? Dailin, I know you're talented. Since you take MAPI major, Can you show me your talent?
Singing. Diyan ka na naman, ba't di ko maiwasan? Charing. Pre ko talent.
You will be in my YouTube vlog. Sino Jade, ikaw? Successful na yung YouTube vlog ko.
Labot. Wala man yung amot.
So, if you like my video, just
Click to subscribe.
yes, click like and subscribe. This is Deborah Ramos. Till next video.
I got a condo in Manhattan. Baby girl, what's happening? You and your ass invited. So gonna get